here to do a deep condition review. So I'm going to be reviewing the Taraji Henson After Dark and overnight hair mask. It says to enrich, hydrate, and fortify. And it's for all hair types, and it's also 8 fluid ounces. So this is what it looks like right here. It looks pretty cute, but it's like plastic container or whatever. I read up on this. It's $14.99, and it's basically a protein treatment style mask. It's supposed to repair and moisturize your hair. And I'm coming from straight hair, going back to curly hair, so I wanted something that would do exactly what this claims to do. So we're just going to try it out. It kind of smells like a salon product, if that makes sense. It's lightly fragranted, but not really a lot. We just gonna put this in my hair and figure it out. After being straight, I have hella heat damage. Ooh, child. I'm trying not to think about it, to be honest. So I'm just gonna take a big scoop of this and apply it to my hair, basically. No real rhyme or reason. It's kind of like a jelly texture. Starting at the ends and working my way up to the root. Nice. I was at the bottom. Yeah, the first ingredient is water. So, like, it is water based. I was wondering if it was water based because I was, like, it feels empty, kind of, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel super moisturizing, like, it feels watery. Like, when you touch it, it feels very creamy. It feels like, kind of like lotion. You know what it reminds me of? If you used to get Avon products when we were younger, when your parents get Avon products, and the SSS Skin So Soft lotion, how thin and watery it would be, like it would feel really nice in your hands, but when you would put it on, it would go on really thin and watery. That's exactly what this reminds me of. And it kind of smells like it too. It smells like, oh yeah, like in the jar, when you sniff it, it feels, the smell is faint, but when it's on my hair, being like on my hands and in my hair, it gets stronger, and it reminds me of like, this reminds me of like something in my grandma's makeup kit, or I don't like the smell at all. And I'm not really like, I don't care about the smell usually. Oh my god, I have low porosity here, so I'm trying to give this a minute to work in to my strands, but it really feels like this is sitting on top of my hair. It really feels like it's just sitting on top of my hair. That's why I'm trying not to blame the product, because it may just be my hair strands. It's a cream gel consistency, so it kind of like threw me off because it's thick in your hand, but then when you actually start to touch deep into it, like when you tap it, it bounces. But then when you touch into it, you see that it's disintegrating, like it's evaporating or something. This is a water-based hair mask. I use the entire thing. I think I have pretty thick hair, but like, there are big conditioners that come in smaller packages, and I haven't used the whole thing. And maybe that has to do with the consistency, but I honestly think it has to do with the fact that it didn't penetrate to my hair. It felt like nothing. It felt like there was something there and nothing all at the same time. No matter how much I put on a section, it was like I had to add, I felt like I had to keep adding more. It's very thin and creamy at the same time. That sounds very contradicting, but it's a weird feeling. I basically already used all of this, so I'm just gonna go back and touch up the edges and get the crevices with the rest of it, because it's literally nothing in here. Like, what the fuck is that? Like, whatever. Okay, so I have this all applied to my hair. I got as thorough as I could. I used all of this. Like, used all of it. So that was the whole $14.99. Yeah, so it says to leave this overnight, so melt into your hair overnight mask for deep moisture, and rinse out thoroughly after you wake up, or you can use it as a regular mask and leave it in for about 10 minutes. So good morning. This is how I ended up falling asleep. And I have a bonnet on. The t-shirt that I put on my head to wring out my hair, I put that in the microwave for 30 seconds, put that on my head, and then I added these 2 bags, and then I put a bonnet over top of that. So we're about to see how this is about to turn out, and then I'll give my final thoughts on the deep conditioner. Okay, so it looks better, but I don't know if that matters because I feel like it's been in my head literally over 8 hours, so it better look different. I can see a difference. My hair does feel soft. As far as the deep conditioner goes, it looks pretty good. Not sure if you can see. My hair strands do feel moisturized, but they're not. It's nothing different than any other deep conditioner. And it's fine. That's all I'm gonna say. It's fine. If you have $14.99 to spend on a deep conditioner and you just want like to try this, I would say it's not a waste, but it's not spectacular. It's not, oh my god, blow my mind crazy. It's just fine. Like I felt like I had to keep adding it, and I think that's why I use so much of this. Like I don't want to be trashing it because it's not trash. It's just fine. Just fine. Like, it's just fine. Like, and I mean, if you want a Just Fine product for $15, then go ahead and do your thing. Like, it's okay. But me, I wouldn't buy this again. She does have another line that's like this yellow line. I think there's a deep conditioner in there, and I think she has another kind of deep conditioner on this line. So it's not this package, it's like a squeeze tube. Maybe I'll try that, but never again. Like, and like I said, it's fine. I know I keep saying it, but it's fine. Like, I don't have anything else to say about it. Like, it stinks too. I don't like the smell. It's not a super innovative, blow your mind product. And the formula is weird. It kind of just disappears and not in the same right way. It claims to melt into your hair. It melts, but I don't know where it went because it didn't go into my hair. And it tells you get that salon like spa experience, and I can see why it's, you know, marketed that way because of the thinness of the formula. It kind of smells like a salon when you first like smell into it, but then you go to put it on your hair and the smell gets stronger and stronger and stronger. And I rinsed this out of my hair. I rinsed my hair twice, and the smell is all over my head. Like, it smells like I sprayed like an old lady perfume or something, and it won't go away. Like, I hope that when I do my hair, it goes away, because this is, no, I can't. Whatever. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was very helpful to you. And if you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, my name is Chanel, and thank you for watching.